Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your Excel file created on the office.com website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your Excel file. And when you are done and would like to forward to someone, all you have to do is tapping on this home button on the left side of the screen at the top. Then go to the right side and in the upper right corner you can find this share button, so tap on it. Then tap on share and you should wait a few seconds till it loads, but then you should type in the name or the email address of your recipient, and after that you can write an additional message and then click on the send button if you would like to forward it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.